Welcome back, guys. In the previous video I show you how to use some operators in Matlab, and we've talked about like 5 or 6 operators, if I can still remember. We talked about plus, talked about minus, we talked about square root. I explained to you how to use the comment symbol, and some others, multiplication as well, and also division. So in this video I'll complete the tutorial on how to use operators in Matlab. So let's get started. So here we have zeros, we have ones, we have transpose, determinant, inverse, sine, matrix power, cosine, array power, exponential, array division, and logarithm. Now I'll be starting with zeros. With zeros we have, you will type zeros and open bracket, then close it, and inside the bracket the first thing you put is the number of rows that you want. Let's assume I want 3 rows. I write 3, then comma, and I want let's say 4 columns. So what this will do is it will display zeros because of this operation, which is zeros here. So it will display zeros with 3 rows and 4 columns. Now if I press enter, we have first, this is the first column, second column, third column, and fourth column, and this is the first row, second row, and third row. So we have 3 rows and 4 columns. So that is how to use zeros. I can also type, let's use you can use any number, zeros, open bracket and close it. Let's write 9, 8. So it's still the same thing. So that's how to use zeros in Matlab. Then the second one is ones. Ones means display ones. Display everything you'll be displaying must be 1. These zeros means you have to display 0 for everything, for every rows and every columns, but for this ones it will be displaying 1. So open brackets and close it. So let me put the same thing I did here, 3, 4, enter. We have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns. So you can also let's also write these ones and put 9, 8. Still the same thing. So if you want to display zeros, you use zeros, open bracket and close it, then put the number of rows and the number of columns that you want to display on the screen. So that's how to do that. And also ones, the same thing is applicable with ones. So the first time I was using Matlab, when I saw zeros and ones, I was like, okay, twos should also work. So I try using twos, but it doesn't work. I try using twos. I put this and let's assume this and this. As you can see, it's wrong. Matlab doesn't recognize what twos is. It's only zeros and ones that works in Matlab. So the next one is transpose. Let's display an array of numbers. Let's use a variable. Let me call it a equal to, then you use this. In the previous video I explained to you, I teach you how to use how to display or how to form an array of numbers, but if you can't remember, I will still explain here. So you just have to type your variable. This is my variable name, which is a, and equal to, then you use these two curly braces, then you put your values. Let's say 2 space 3 space 4, then semicolon. We have 5 3 2, then the last one that I will be typing is this 3 9, and let's say 1. Enter. So as you can see, we have 2 3 4, which is this 2 3 4. Then the second row is 5 3 2, which is this, and the last row is 5 9 1. Yeah, so this is our array. We've declared our array. This is how you declare your array if you want to declare array using Matlab. So now what are we doing? We want to find the transpose of a. So what you have to do is, after declaring this array, you just write your a, then you put this sign there. It means a transpose. So we have 2 3 4 5 3 2 5 9 1. So if I press enter, what will be displayed is this. It will flip it. Instead of this 2 3 4, it will be 2 5 5. This 5 will come here, this 5 2 will come to this place, and the next row here will be 3 5 5. Let me show you 3 3 9. Sorry, it will be 3 3 9. Then the last one will be 4 2 1. Let's see. As you can see, we have 2 5 5 2 5 5. We have 3 3 9 3 3 9. We have 4 2 1 4 2 1. So that's how to use transpose in Matlab. So if you still want to, let's take another example. Like, let me use b another variable, b equal to this. Let me add more. 9 7 6 90 700 8000, and also this I had more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, 3 4 5 6 9. So I have this. Okay, let's stop here. I press enter. No, it's not correct. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so this is what we have. So if you write b transpose, so you have this. So that's how to use transpose in Matlab. Then the next one is determinant. So I've already declared a. This is a. So I want to find the determinant of a. Just type det, open brackets, close it, and write a. Enter. So the determinant of a is 105. So that's how to use determinant. You can also declare or use another variable to declare, to form an array of number, and try using another method to find. You can declare another array by this is 3 by 3 array. You can declare like 4 by 1 5 by 5 and try using this determinant as well. It will give you the right answer for later. Instead of doing it in paper, you can just write it in Matlab, and Matlab will give you the answer without any stress. Then the next one is inverse. inverse. So all what you need to do is to just declare your array again and write type inv inverse of a, enter. So this is the inverse of a. This will be our answer. So that's inverse. Then the next one is sine. So let me clear the screen. CLC, right? Yeah, CLC, enter. So now we have sine. Let me declare another variable. Let me use x equal to let's say 5, enter. So that's we've initialized our x to be 5. So we have let me now type sin. We're dealing with sine now. Sin, open brackets and close it, 5 no, x, sorry, enter. So this is our answer. Sine of sine 5 will give us this. Let's check using our calculator. So let me type 5 here. Sine, as you can see, 0.9589, and here 0.9589 minus 0.8. So this one is in radian. So whenever you want to do it, you have to make sure this is in radian and not in gradient or degree. Make sure it's in radian. So that's that. Then also cosine, you can type cosine cos x, enter. So it will give you this. So let's check here again. We have 5 cos 0.2836. As you can see, it's approximated it to 7 here. It's still the same thing. Now the next one is, we've done cosine, matrix power, and in the next video I'm going to complete the remaining operators. I'm going to talk about remaining operators. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left. So in the next video I'm going to be talking about the remaining 5. So thank you guys for watching.